Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add products to your Big Cartel store. So let's get right into it. Now, adding products is really easy. You just need all of the information of your product and any possible variations, and then you can actually start entering it into your store. And it's actually, as I've mentioned, very easy. What you need to do once you're in your admin panel, go into products, and here you'll see a list of all your products if you already have some. If not, it'll allow you to add products, or if you want, you can use other apps such as Printify, which will then allow you to, or Printful, which will allow you to create custom shirts and other clothing items. And you can also import items if you wish, if you have from other stores. Now, to add your products, if you want to import them, go into more actions, click here, and then import the list, or just click add a product if you want to add an individual one manually. Here, as you can see, you can add an image, add a product name, a description, some categories if you have them created on your store, set the status, set the price, as well as add any variants or variant groups if you have them. You can also enable inventory tracking if you have the premium plan for Big Cartel as well. You can also display up to 25 images if you have the subscription. If not, you can only display one. Then you need to set up your shipping information and your US tax category. And once you're done with that, that is pretty much all you need to do. There's really nothing else to mention over here. So let me just add another test item over here. I don't have a category. I'm just going to say $1. I don't have any variants. Shipping can be set up per country. So for example, let's say Azerbaijan. If it's alone, I'll add the shipping for $1. If it's with others, I'll set it to 50 cents. And then you can set up a tax category if you want. As you can see, it can stay uncategorized. And once you add all the information, just click save. And it's going to save your product and it's going to display it among your other products like so. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.